Let's begin by dragging down a background image. Next, add a video track, then go up and drag down a default text title. Further reduce to 3 seconds, then click to advance as shown. Input your text, then reduce the size to 47 and adjust if necessary. Go right, then scroll down to tick background, change the color to purple, or any of your choice, then increase its spread to 5 and apply as shown. Next, apply a keyframe to the position. Set the X position to 1360 and the Y position to 255. Now move the playhead 10 frames forward, then go up to apply keyframe to position, then only type 0 in position X. Further move the playhead to 215 or 10 frames backward from the end, then go up to only apply keyframe to position. Lastly, move the playhead to the end, then go up to type NIDA 1360 in position X. Now click the keyframe panel, then click only the first keyframe and the last keyframe, then right-click to apply curve as shown. Right-click to copy the text, then move the playhead forward by 8 frames. Add a video track and paste it on top. Again, move the playhead 16 frames forward, then paste as shown. Let add 2 more text title. Highlight just 2 text, add a video track, then move the playhead 24 frames forward, then paste as shown. Starting from the second text title, change the position Y of each keyframe point to 114 to reposition the text under the first text. For the third text title, change the position Y of each keyframe point to -24 to reposition the text under the second text. Fourth text title, change the position Y of each keyframe point to -161 to reposition the text under the third text. Last text title, change the position Y of each keyframe point to -287 to reposition the text under the fourth text alignment. Select Preview. Now let's move the playhead to the end of the last text title, then scroll down to reduce the background image to match its duration. Further, go to each text to right-click in Other to apply compound clip till the last text. Go to Effect, the search and apply negative purple effect to each compound clip as shown. Select Preview. Lastly, go to the left side of the timeline to lock all tracks, then go to Effect to search and drag down Retro Noise Overlay 04 above, then reduce to match as shown. Further unlock all the tracks, then preview. Also, the template link for this tutorial is in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.